Alright, folks, let's dive into this news about Toyota's massive investment in the US automotive scene. Now, this story might seem like just another business deal, but I think there's a whole lot more going on here. So, what's the big deal? Well, for starters, Toyota's decision to pump $1 billion into its Kentucky and Indiana plants is a huge deal for the company and the industry as a whole. But what makes this really interesting is the context. You see, Toyota's been trying to navigate the turbulent waters of trade deals and tariffs, especially during the Trump administration. And let me tell you, it hasn't been easy. The company's been facing billions in additional costs due to these changes, which is a huge deal for any business, let alone one as big as Toyota. But here's where it gets really fascinating. Toyota's not just investing in production, they're investing in their philosophy of building where they sell and buying where they build. Now, that's a big statement, and it raises a deeper question: what does this mean for the future of the automotive industry? Personally, I think it suggests a shift towards localized production and supply chains. And if you take a step back and think about it, this makes a lot of sense. The automotive industry is facing a lot of challenges right now, from supply chain disruptions to changing consumer preferences. So, by investing in its US plants, Toyota is betting on the future of the industry and its ability to adapt to these changes. But what many people don't realize is that this investment is also a strategic move. Toyota's not just trying to weather the storm, they're trying to position themselves for the future. And that's where the real intrigue lies. What this really suggests is that Toyota is looking to expand its presence in the US market, and not just in terms of production. By investing in its plants, Toyota is also investing in its brand and its reputation. And that's a smart move, because the US market is a huge one, and Toyota wants to be a part of it. So, what does this mean for the future of the automotive industry? Well, in my opinion, it suggests a shift towards more localized production and supply chains, and a focus on adapting to changing market conditions. And that's a big deal, because it means that the industry is going to have to rethink its approach to manufacturing and distribution. But the real question is, will other automakers follow suit? That's the million-dollar question. And the answer to that is anyone's guess. But one thing is for sure: Toyota's investment is a game-changer, and it's going to have a ripple effect on the entire industry. So, there you have it, folks. Toyota's $1 billion investment in its US plants is more than just a business deal, it's a strategic move that's going to shape the future of the automotive industry. And that's what makes it so fascinating. So, what do you think? Is this the future of the automotive industry? Let me know in the comments below.